It's 2 a.m., can't sleep, and this video isn't for everyone. If you're afraid to dream big, stop watching now. Becoming a crypto millionaire takes discipline, dedication, and most importantly, a clear end game. This isn't about luck. It's about fortitude, focus, and sound judgment. Before you invest your very first penny, ask yourself, what do you want? Why are you doing this? If your only answer is, it'll be cool to have $1 million in assets, then prepare to lose it just as quickly as you gain it. But if you're someone with real goals that fuel the big dream, then let's get started.
Are you like me, wishing you were a crypto millionaire? If so, stay tuned. Welcome to the Everything Ether YouTube channel. I created this channel with my fellow DoorDashers in mind. I figured I'd dash part-time and invest the money in ISO 20022 tokens, which are XRP, XLM, XDC, Algorand, and IOTA. My research, finding, and opinions will be shared through this real-time documentary, How to Become a Crypto Millionaire by Everything Ether. I expect the entire documentary to take 3 to 5 years and possibly up to 8 years in the case of IOTA. Although the outcome, pricing, time frame can't be predicted, one thing is for sure. I can guarantee this is going to be a very interesting journey. I chose DoorDash because it allows me to earn upwards of $20 per hour during my spare time. I'm not affiliated with DoorDash, nor are they paying me to say this. In fact, none of the crypto exchanges that I may mention, or anyone for that matter, is paying me. Any exchanges, cryptocurrencies, or platforms I may mention or make reference to or admit to using to complete this documentary is all on me. It's at my own sole discretion. Again, I'm not being paid or incentivized by any of these companies. I must also add, I'm no financial advisor, so please don't take anything I say or do as financial advice. I'm just simply documenting the journey of investing in these cryptocurrencies. Each software serves a specific purpose for a specific industry. Like Algorand, it's great for import and export. XDC is great for financial sectors. XLM is great for bank usage. These are the things I intend to cover throughout the entire documentary and share in real time. Crypto taxes are also another main focus on this channel. In my opinion, there's no other way around them. In all actuality, I don't even try to. In fact, I look at it like a game. Picture one of your big game shows. You go on a game show, you spin the wheel, you do whatever you do, you get it right, and you win the new car. Well, your ass is going to pay taxes on that new car. You're going to pay the taxes. It's just no other way around it. So in viewing it like a game show and knowing that, okay, these could possibly be winnings, your profits could actually be winnings. Well, if everyone was allowed to cash out millions and millions and millions of dollars at once, that would destroy the integrity of the entire pot and everything that was holding the investment together. I'd like to focus more on the outcome of investing as little as $10 per week over a period of 3 to 5 years and documenting that outcome. Because regardless of what the outcome is, whether you become a millionaire or you just increase your savings, it's still something to the good. My main objective is the outcome of the entire experiment. Win, lose, or draw, I'm really more interested in the outcome of the experiment. So now that you know that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme and it's an actual How to Become a Crypto Millionaire documentary, please subscribe, like, and share, and I will always keep you posted with new videos and what comes up next. But in the meanwhile, I'm Stan McShann, your crypto crash dummy, and until next time, stay focused and hodl up. think I forgot nothing. Oh yeah, tip your dashers.
Success takes discipline and purpose. So if you're ready to dream big and stay the course, your journey starts now.